Hi guys, welcome back to that practice. You may have encountered a situation where you want to have a Wi-Fi, but you are in a place where all systems are just connected with the internet only. What you gonna do in that case? How you gonna connect your mobile with that Wi-Fi? So today I'm gonna teach you how you can do that with your system. But one thing you should know that this will only work with the laptops. If the laptops are connected with the internet, then only you can share it. For the desktop, you need to have a Wi-Fi adapter. In that case, only you do that because you can only share it through the Wi-Fi adapter. So let's go and learn how you can make your laptop as a hotspot. So first of all, you go to the settings of the Windows, go to the network connection, right click on the settings and go to the network connection. Scroll up and you will see the option of mobile hotspot, share your connection. By default, it is off. Click on it and on it and then click here because first time if you're doing you need to set up the things, so you have to share it over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You have two methods, you can share it both ways. Now here is the network properties using which you're gonna connect your mobile using your laptop. So by default some username and the password will be given to you here. You can also scan via QR code and connect it, or you can connect with the username and the password. You can edit it and you can create a new username and the new network password, at least 8 characters. You can have the bands 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. This depends on the kind of, like, some mobiles, the old mobiles, they only accept it's 2.4. So you need to enable 2.4. Otherwise, your phone, if it is old model, it will not be able to showing the Wi-Fi which is being created over here. So that's all in this video. See you guys in another video. For more Windows tips, please subscribe my channel.